Hello guys, Dicey Ubayana here. So for today's video, I'm going to do some experiment of the new in Maggi, which is Maggi Mandi Meal Kit, by adding 2 more extra cups of rice from the kitchen cupboard and adding 500 grams of chicken thighs instead of adding 450 grams, just to have more portions of servings in it. So if you're interested to know about the outcome of this experiment, stay with me till end of this video for the taste revelation. So in a frying pan, I add 1 spoon of cooking oil and then 500 grams of chicken thighs. Saute the chicken until it's golden brown. And then I transferred it into a cooking pot as I found it easier to cook the rice. Then a teaspoon of olive oil just to make sure that the rice will not stick in the cooking pot. And then I add the Mandi spice mix and a packet of rice from the Mandi kit itself. For those who don't know yet, a packet of rice in a Maggi Mandi Meal Kit is good for 1 cup. And then I add another 2 extra cups of rice to give bigger portion of servings. And yes, of course, you have to wash your rice before cooking it. I only choose not to wash this time because I wanted to show you how much rice will fit in a cup. And then you have to add 750 ml of water and stir it. Cover and simmer for low heat until it's cooked. Normally, buy 1 packet of the new Maggi Mandi Meal Kit that consists with 1 cup of rice and Mandi mixes, and by adding 400 grams of chicken thighs in it, it's only good for 4 servings. Yes, it's amazing. It has strong aroma and full of flavors. However, for those of you who do not like very spicy food, you might find it too hot and spicy for you. But for those who like spicy food, you will definitely love it. So by adding 2 more extra cups of rice and 500 grams of chicken thighs in it, yes, of course, it will give you more portions of servings. And the outcome of the rice is totally the same as those mandi that you can buy in a restaurant. The aroma and the spices of the mandi is still there. However, the spice of flavor is not there anymore, and also it's a bit lack of salt, so you can just simply add a pinch of salt in it. Or you can add another half amount of those Mandi spices, especially if you want to have spicy flavor into your Mandi meal. But all in all, it's still delivers the Mandi flavor and the delicious taste of this new Mandi Meal Kit from Maggi. So that's all for today, and I hope that you like it. See you on my next vlog, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you will be updated on my next videos. And stay safe, everyone.